The grain is the life of people, and people are the foundation of the country. The development of food industrialization in the past half-century has promoted the process of Chinese urbanization to ensure people's livelihood and healthy diet. It is the unshirkable social responsibility for food equipment enterprises manufacturing international quality intelligent equipment. Leading the healthy and orderly development of Chinese food industry is HICOCA mission. It's also our spiritual pillar in the food equipment industry. The special Chinese food culture, which determines the Chinese food machinery companies can only do original research by themselves. Fortunately, HICOCA in 2007, with the noodle stick as an entry point, entered the food equipment industry, began to embark on a tireless and enterprising journey. HICOCA has a complete machining workshop, including the laser cutting processing center imported from Germany, vertical machine center CNC lathe, OTC robot welding, etc. HICOCA always put the requirement of no error through the entire manufacturing process. The perfect fusion of craftsman spirit and modern equipment has been realized. Adhering to the business philosophy of innovation as the driving force, HICOCA has one national R&D center, 5 independent R&D laboratories. The annual R&D investment accounts for more than 10% of the sales revenue. We have obtained 407 national patents, 2 international patents, 17 software copyrights. We have participated in the research on major special projects of the 13th Five-Year Plan of China. It is the National Flour Product Equipment R&D Professional Center, the National High-Tech Enterprise, the Shandong Technology Center, the Specialized and New Enterprise, the Invisible Champion Enterprise, and the Strategic Emerging Enterprise. Because of being enriched with profound experience, the expansion of major industrial sectors has occurred.